So Samsung announced their next generation flagship processor at its Tech Day 2019, and the processor is Exynos 990. It will most likely debut on the Samsung Galaxy S11 series. Let's talk about the details of this processor. So Exynos 990 is a great upgrade over the Exynos 9820. The company claimed that the upgrade can deliver up to 20% performance improvement over the Exynos 9820. The Exynos 990 will feature 2 ARM Cortex A76 high-performance cores and 4 Cortex A55 efficiency cores. In case of graphics, it will have ARM's Mali G77 graphics processor, and the new GPU improves the graphic performance by 20% because of the Valhalla architecture. This new architecture will improve the performance and the efficiency by 30% compared to the last year's Mali G76 architectures. That is really good. This processor is perfectly adapted for high-volume 5G and AI applications. The Exynos 990 will feature a dual-core NPU for better on-device AI tasks. For example, scene detection and facial recognition. The processor also supports up to 120Hz display refresh rate. That means Samsung Galaxy S11 might have come with 90Hz or 120Hz display refresh rate, which was their biggest downgrade in 2019's flagship. Samsung is already the best in the display section. If they add 90Hz or 120Hz display refresh rate, display will be more superior. Talking about camera, the Exynos 990 can support up to 108MP camera, but it is not clear whether they will use it in Galaxy S11 or not. Samsung used a 12MP camera for their previous flagship. That's why I don't think so they will upgrade from 12MP camera to massive 108MP camera. If they upgrade, that will be really great because 108MP camera will capture more detailed pictures and the dynamic range will be very good. And for videos, the Exynos 990 supports up to 8K videos at 30fps or 4K UHD videos at 120fps. And it will have H.265 and H.264 encoding and decoding abilities. The new chipsets also supports LPDDR5 RAM, and the data rate will be up to 5500 MB per second. For storage, it will support UFS 3.0 and 2.1 storage. Samsung said that the Exynos 990 are expected to begin mass production by the end of this year. We heard about the partnership of Samsung and AMD, but it seems that the first Samsung chipsets with the AMD GPU may not arrive until 2021. What do you think about this new processor? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.